Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about converting mixed numbers into a decimal. Okay, so two-step process, very easy. Okay, and we're going to do an example as well. So what we're going to do is we take the whole number part and we're going to ignore that one, just stays the same, right? Because just like I talked about in a previous video, the whole number part as far as a decimal just goes unchanged. That when we were going from decimals to a mixed number, I showed you that. Okay, so again, going the other direction, it still remains the same. Whole number will just stay the whole number part. Okay, remember the decimal point is the point that separates the whole number part of the number from the fractional part of the number. So you just leave it alone. So step number one, you're just going to leave it alone. Ignore it for the moment. Number two is write only the fractional part as a decimal. And then what you're going to do is you basically put the whole number and the decimal part together and you're done. That's it. So let's show how this is done. Okay, so again, all we're going to do is ignore the 3 and focus on the 2/5. So what is 2/5? Okay, there's a couple ways you could do this one, but let's follow the thing by division. Okay, that's one of the things that we've been doing is dividing. Okay, you could do an equivalent fraction too. I'll show you both ways. One way is to divide. So we go 2 divided by 5. And so again, we put our decimal point and then raise it up and then put a 0 because 5 doesn't go into 2. So we put a 0 and then of course ignore the decimal point and and look at this as 20. So 5 goes into 20 4 times. 5 times 4 is 20 and we subtract. And we get 0 and we're done. So 2/5 is equal to 0.4. And then we put the whole number part and the decimal part together and we're done. So 3 and 2/5 is the same as 3.4. Now, what's the other way we could get the 0.4? Well, we could use equivalent fractions, right? We know that 2/5 is equal to 4/10. And now we've got a power of 10. And so we know that all we have to do is for every power of 10 that we divide by, we move the decimal point to the left one spot. So this would equal 0.4. So either way, we get the same answer, okay? And the answer is 3.4. Have a great day.